Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making another sheet pan wonder. I don't know what to call it. It's chicken fajitas that you make on the sheet pan. It's really easy cleanup, which for me is a bonus, and of course it's delicious. So perfect for a weeknight meal, or if you just want to whip something together really quickly, this is your go-to. It's minimal ingredients, but so flavorful and wonderful. If you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need some lime, well, the juice of a lime, some cilantro, and here I have oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and some smoked paprika, and then some salt and pepper, obviously our chicken that I cut into little slices, onion, green pepper, red pepper, and then some olive oil. You're also going to need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line a baking sheet with some aluminum foil if you wish. That's totally optional. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mix everything in my bowl here. And add in some olive oil. This is going to be like your coating for everything. Hold on, let me wipe my hands. I'm going to add in all of my spices. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. It's going to taste so good. Our salt, pepper, and I do the cilantro as a topping, so I don't actually add that into my bowl. And then I finish it off with some lime juice. About a whole lime. I meant to say not half. And then I also do lime wedges to serve with it. And then all you're gonna do, you can use your hands, you can use a spoon. I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna mix this all together. You're gonna put this on your baking sheet, and you are gonna bake this for about, depending on the size of your chicken, honestly, and the size of your veggies, anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour, I would say, at 400 degrees. You can also prep this ahead of time, leave it in your fridge, and then when you're ready to cook, pour it onto your baking sheet. Really easy, minimal work, but full deliciousness. Make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for spending your day with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!